I'm so happy to have you back, Blunt Girl. Are you happy to see Mommy? Yeah, I missed you.